spatial diagrams. It means, for an example, we are familiar with our Sri Lankan map. I'll take the Sri Lankan map as an example. In Sri Lankan map, just think about it. Is it the exact? Is this the exact length or measurement of the Sri Lankan, exact Sri Lanka in the topographical level? No, right? Because we can't draw. Sri Lankan area is 65,610 kilometers square. So just imagine to draw the exact area, how bigger the paper we need. Is it possible? No, it's impossible. So that's why we can't draw the exact features and everything as it is in the diagram, but we can distort it. That means totally this entire region is consist of grass. That means instead of this is the representational region. We can't draw the exact area in the map, but we can give a representational portion in the map. So this one is colored in green, so we can understand this is green in color, so this is a paddy field. Okay, here this is yellow in color, this is rubber garden. Okay, here green color, some leaves kind of shape, this is tea garden. Here we have something like this. Okay, in the legend you will have what is meant by the green color. You will have the description, what is meant by the dots, what is meant by these green color dashes, and what is meant by this one. Here we have some kind of pine trees. Likewise, this is the way we can't draw the exact Sri Lankan topography in a paper. We will minimize that one. Okay, distort that one according to a particular scale. Okay, particular scale means Sri Lankan map was drawn by using the scale of 1:50,000. 1:50,000. I will explain what is meant by this one. So when you have a Sri Lankan map, I am measuring from here to here, from Kalathura here to here. This is just 1 centimeter. Is it actually also 1 centimeter? No. If it is 1 centimeter in map, if we measure 1 centimeter in map, in actual world, that is denoting 50,000 centimeters. Just think about it, how huge it is. 50,000 times greater than the map scale. Likewise, I will measure from here to here, from Jaffna to Galle or Mathura. This one in the map I will measure 25 centimeter. I am taking some random experimental value. So if this is 25 centimeter, according to our scale, just look at it. If 1 centimeter is denoting 50,000 centimeter, 25 centimeter should be 25 times of 50,000 centimeter. Try to understand. This is simple, direct proportion. If 1 centimeter is denoting 50,000, how much for 2 centimeters? 2 times of 50,000. 2 times of 50,000 centimeter. In left hand side we have the map scale. This is our map scale. But here in right hand side we have our actual scale. Actual scale. In map, when we measure 1 centimeter, in actual world that is 50,000. In map 2 centimeter means actual world 2 times of 50,000. That means 100,000 centimeters. In map scale, if we measure a distance, a length from somewhere to somewhere, 25 centimeter. In actual world, that is 25 times of 50,000 centimeter. This is the conversion we have to do to identify the exact distance. You are traveling from Galle to Colombo. You have the map. Okay, so we don't know what is the distance between Galle to Colombo by using our mathematical knowledge, but nowadays we have Google Map and many platforms to find what is the distance. But actually if you want to do that manually, this is the method. You have to bring the proper Sri Lankan diagram. Here is our house. This is the destination we need to reach. Okay, this is the destination. You should measure this by using your ruler. What is the distance from here to here? That means I will measure 10 centimeter. we can convert this one to actual one. If 1 centimeter will denote 50,000 centimeter in actual world, we measure 10 centimeter in the map from our house to the desired destination. It should be in actual world 10 times of 50,000 centimeters. This is the conversion we need to do to draw the scale diagrams. And if you remember this one, that's good. In Sri Lankan map, in somewhere here, okay, here or here, you can see this scale. They will denote 1:50,000. Not only Sri Lanka. We will take one more country. Here I'll take the country called Mexico. Okay, here Mexico. In Mexico map, we have the scale 1:200,000. That means when we measure 1 centimeter in the map, in actual world, that will denote 200 centimeter. But you can see in the scale we didn't have any units, no? If you take here centimeter, here also should be centimeter. 1 centimeter means 200,000 centimeter. 1 meter means in map scale, you are measuring from this end to this end 1 meter, 100 centimeters. That means in actual world, that means 100 times of 200,000 centimeter. If not, we can easily write it as, if 1 meter is here, next unit also should be in meters. Don't confuse with these. We will do some examples related to this. You should know the purpose of drawing scale diagrams. The major purpose is to denote the exact topographical features in a planar diagram.